好，23年第22條啦，咁咧就問你一個 EM wave 嘅玩法啦。咁 from 呢個 outer space to 呢個 Earth surface 咧，咁咧就有唔同嘅 absorption by 你個 atmosphere 啦。你個大氣層會吸咗唔同比例嘅光走嘅，唔同比例嘅 EM wave 走嘅。咁咧就 show 咗出嚟啦。咁啊 referring to the absorption graph 啦。咁邊一個 statement 係 correct？咁我哋逐句逐句睇啦。第一句 gamma ray from the galaxy can be observed。咁啊 gamma ray 即係邊一度咧 ？gamma ray 咧就應該係最短 wavelength 嗰啲嚟嘅，最短 wavelength 即係喺張圖嘅左手邊啦，呢一堆嚟嘅。咁佢就寫咗100% absorption，咁所以我哋唔會見到噶啦。你都 absorb 晒啦，唔會有剩噶啦。好，咁跟住咧，再睇第二句 ，Nearly all ultraviolet can reach 呢個 Earth surface。咁啊嚟啦 ，ultraviolet 即係 around 咧。都唔係 around 啦，就直接係 visible light 呢一段就係你嘅 UV 啦。咁係咪呢一啲 all 可以 reach 到咧？咁就唔係嘅。理論上咧，應該高能量即係短啲 wavelength 嗰 part 咧，有 ultraviolet 咧就應該到唔到嘅。而事實上咧，你 UV 係有分 A 段、B 段、C 段嘅，咁啊根據佢哋嘅 wavelength 啦，咁咧就唔係全部都會俾人吸收晒嘅，有一堆會出翻嚟嘅，會打到落地面，而有一堆咧就會吸收晒嘅。咁所以呢句都唔啱啦。咁啊睇 C 嗰句啦 ，infrared radiation from star can reach Earth surface without absorption。infrared 咁即係紅外線啦，即係呢一段啦，可能再包得遠啲嘅，唔知啦。但係總之就係一段。咁係咪全部都 without absorption 咧？就絕對唔係嘅。你都見到啦，有啲 peak 喺度嘅，可能吸咗你80% 度啦，或者吸咗 whatever 啦。咁總之就唔係就唔係 without 啦。好啦 ，D 啊 ，gigahertz 嘅 radio wave 個 wavelength 係0.5米，0.5米即係呢一度綠色線，而家呢一個位。咁咧就 best for communication between ground station 同埋一個 space station。咁啱唔啱啊？因為而家你 atmosphere 係基本上0% 吸收，即係全部都係射走晒。咁所以呢個就 best 咯。咁你個信號係唔會衰減嘅，呢個位係唔會俾大氣層搞到有衰減嘅。所以